Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about why Bill Abbate is the best editor on medium.com. First of all, my friends, Bill Abbate is famous for being an editor on the publication Illumination, and right now Illumination Curated. Technology hits and creating the life you want. However, he is well known for being an editor on Illumination publication. Let's go and visit his website, and I'm going to read you out. This is his content, his biography. He's a career growth expert, leadership executive coach, consultant, and author. During his career, he served as president and CEO, managing director, and in other high-level executive positions for several companies. He has long credited his business success to his focus on people development. He retired from corporate life in 2013. Immediately afterward, he attended this university. I cannot pronounce it. I beg your pardon. And became a certified professional coach, quickly building a successful practice. Bill recently published a bestseller, Uncommon Sense, The Star Approach to Life. He continues to work with select clients and publishes regularly on medium.com and newsbreak.com. Both powerful websites, my friends. You can contact him over here if you want any editing services done. And let's see his books, my friends. Uncommon Sense, The Star Approach to Life, and you can see on Amazon. Let's go to his Amazon page. Why not? And $3 ebook and $9.75 paperback book. How many pages? 250 pages. Let's see how many sales he got. I just want to check, my friends. 15 ratings, 4.7 stars. I don't know how many sales he got, but the reviews are here. You can see all the reviews over here, my friends. So, my friends, why I say he is the best editor on Medium. Thing is, there might be better editors out there on Medium, to be honest with you. But if a doctor that can save your life is not willing to help you, what good is that doctor for, my friends? And similarly, what good is an editor if he's not willing to help you out? Thing is that you can just simply go to his website, contact him, and maybe he can help you out with your editing needs. And if you are a writer on Illumination, you get the help for free perhaps. You can request him on his LinkedIn, on his Twitter, on Illumination Slacks, on his email address. And he is a very down-to-earth person, my friends. Trust me, I have got very good experience with him. He has helped me a lot with a lot of my articles that went curated. And I can vouch for him that he is going to be reasonable with you, my friends, in helping you out with your editing needs. And why am I so curious about editing needs? What's the fuss about that now, you might be asking. Like, why am I talking about the editing needs? You need a professional editor in your Medium journey, because the professional editor is up to date with the Medium curation guidelines. And right now, as of April 22nd, 2023, you need a professional medium.com editor that can help you get into the Boost program. Without the Boost, you are nothing on Medium, my friends. I'm afraid without the Boost, you are nothing, and you cannot earn any money. And this is where an editor will come in, help you out. So my friends, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching.